Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very simple chicken curry recipe. Chicken curry with coconut milk. This is a very tasty chicken curry. We can serve it along with some rice, chapati, South Indian appam and all. So let's see how to make this yummy chicken curry. Here I have got 1 kilo chicken which I have cut into small pieces. I cleaned it thoroughly. I washed and removed all dirt from it. We need 6 to 8 cloves of garlic which I am crushing right now. We also need a medium sized ginger. If a ginger garlic paste is available, you can use that as well. But right now I feel this is convenient. So sometimes I prepare ginger garlic paste in bulk and keep it inside the refrigerator. So whenever I require while preparing the curries, especially chicken curries and all, we can use it directly. Apart from this, we need sliced onions, which is a major ingredient for this. Green chilies, I am taking 3 finely chopped green chilies. This curry is a mild spicy one. If you want to make the curry a little more spicy, you can add more. Here I have taken a large sized tomato. I have cut them into cubes and later I am grinding this to make a puree out of it because it helps to give a nice thick gravy for our curry. So our tomato puree is ready here. Chopping some fresh coriander leaves which will be used for garnishing once the curry is ready. I really like the flavor of coriander leaves, so I always add generously in almost all the non-veg recipes. So let's prepare the curry. Here I have taken a pan. I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Drop 1 bay leaf. So I am adding crushed ginger, garlic and finely chopped green chilies. As I already mentioned, if you have ginger garlic paste, you can add that one at this point. Salt it well, let the raw taste, raw smell and raw flavor of the ginger, garlic and green chilies go away. I think this pan is too small, so I have to transfer this into another big kadai. So I'm going to do that. I transferred these veggies into another big non-stick kadai. I think this is more convenient. Sauteing the onions, once it becomes translucent, we can add all the masalas and tomato puree and all. Onions have become translucent. Let's add some masalas into this. Adding 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoon of chili powder. As I always say, this is not too spicy. This is a mixture of Kashmiri chili powder and normal chili powder, so this won't become too spicy at all. Spiciness will get compensated. We need 1 teaspoon of pepper powder as well. Apart from this, we need 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. This is a homemade one, freshly ground, so this has all the flavors of fresh coriander powder. Just to roast it in a low flame for 1 minute until the masalas will get slightly heated up. Now I am going to add this prepared tomato puree. So all these masalas and veggies will get well combined. So I am adding tomato puree into this. This will help to combine everything well. We don't need to add any water into this, but if you feel that your masala is too dry, you can add some hot water and mix it well. So these are well combined. I'm going to drop these cleaned chicken pieces into this. We can make the same chicken curry by using boneless chicken also. If you have enough time, you can marinate the chicken pieces with ginger garlic paste and some masala to make it even more delicious. I have already shared a recipe of chicken curry using roasted coconut. That is also a very tasty curry. If you want, you can check it over there. So this is all well combined. I'm adding some salt. Later we can check the taste and add if required. Cover this up with a lid and cook this for another 8 to 10 minutes. No need to add any water into this because chicken itself will release enough moisture for making gravy. Here I have 1 glass of thick coconut milk. I am using canned one. If fresh coconut milk is available, that will be the best option. We need 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala, just now I prepared. See, chicken has started to release enough water. This is not properly done. Let's wait for some more time. This curry is often served along with Mangalore special kori rotti. So look at this. This chicken is well cooked now. Just checking whether it is done or not. Now this is the right time to add fresh coconut milk. As I already mentioned, we need thick coconut milk, no need to thin it down. Mix well. Just allow this to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes so that all the flavors of coconut milk and masalas will get properly combined and chicken curry will be super delicious. I checked the taste of the curry, adding a little more salt. So our curry is ready. It tastes so yummy. This curry is a great combination to have with rice, chapati, appam. Adding some fresh garam masala. 1 teaspoon I am adding. Mixing it gently. So this is the right time to add finely chopped coriander leaves. So our delicious chicken curry with coconut milk is all ready to serve. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, click the like button. If you are a new visitor, do not forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you will get new updates. So until next time, bye bye.